In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can protect your sheet or how you can lock your sheet. Suppose this is your data, you want to give this sheet to someone else to verify the numbers. But at the same time, you want to lock your sheet so no one can change the numbers. As I have told you that there are 2 or 3 different ways to perform the same function. So here in this lesson, I will show you 2 different ways how to protect your sheet. The first and easiest way is go to the review tab. In review tab, you can see we have the protect sheet item here. Right, another way is go to the home tab. In cells group we have the format option. Open this option and protect sheet, click here, same window will open. Here it will ask you write down your password. So here I am just writing down a very simple password 123, but you should not tell this password to anyone else. Okay, this is the secret password, and then you have to press OK, re-enter or confirm your password, and okay, so password is set now. Now if anyone wants to change the number, suppose for 43 he or she wants to make it suppose any 99 or whatever, the message comes the cell or chart you are trying to change is on the protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Right, so if you want to unprotect your sheet, same thing. One option is go to the format. Now you can see we have unprotect sheet option instead of protect sheet, but this time I will show you go to the review, and here we have also unprotect sheet. Click here, write down your password, whatever is your password, it should be very strong, and okay, now anyone can change it very easily. Right, okay, another method is suppose if you want to lock only 1 column or 2 column or some part of your data, yes you can do. In this example, suppose I said I want to lock my first column where names are mentioned. So what you have to do, the rest of the data which you do not want to lock, you have to select it, right click, format cells, and then you can see here protection option. Protection by default you can see the check mark is there, you have to uncheck and okay. Right, and then go to the review, open this protect sheet 123, again my simple password, but your password should be very strong and do not tell this password to anyone. Now is protected. Suppose here I want to change any other name, same messages is there that we cannot change it because it is protected, but yes, number you can change the numbers. So in this way it means that you can log 1 column, 2 columns, any part of your data or complete worksheet. So I hope this lesson is clear. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.